Hi friends, this video shows how to delete keyboard history. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to general. Then go down. Select transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. So here you can see reset keyboard dictionary. Tap on this option. Enter the password of this phone, screen lock password. Read this message. This will delete all custom words you have typed on the keyboard. Tap on reset dictionary. Done. So this way we can reset dictionary and delete keyboard history. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.